Have you guys noticed something lately? Every finance guru in TikTok, especially Australia ko finance guru haru aile TikTok ma, everyone is saying invest $100 a week into ETF, keep buying index fund, stay consistent, and in 40 years you will become a millionaire. Hold on a sec. 40 years. 40 freaking years. 40 varsama millionaire. That means I'm supposed to work my entire life until I'm 60 or 65 and then only finally become a millionaire. त्यसपछि के 60-70 वर्षमा मिलियनेयर भएर के आफ्नो नाति नातिनालाई मैले मेरो त्यो सबै सम्पत्ति दिनु $1 million नातिनालाई लास्टमा फेरि हातमा थमाइदिनु इजिली. If that's your goal, that's completely fine, right? But that's not my goal. And I know there are people watching this who exactly feel the same. And of course, before everyone starts attacking me in the comment section, let me clear one thing. I'm not saying ETFs and index funds are bad. They are actually one of the safest and smartest investment for people who simply want to build wealth slowly over the decades. Or I would say laziest way to build wealth over the decades. 30-40 वर्षपछि हैन. Even I invest in ETFs and index fund. That's completely fine. But I would say this is the laziest way. Only if you're happy working a normal job, only letting it compound over the long run after like 30-40 years, there's nothing wrong with this. But the thing is, this video is not for you. If you're happy with that, this video is not for you. Okay, this video is for the people who wake up every single morning thinking, I don't want to wait until I'm 65 to enjoy my financial freedom. The people who want to build something now. The people who want to create income, not just hope their investment will grow over the next 4 decades. Here's the problem I have with most of the finance influencers अहिलेको चाहिँ मलाई एउटा मात्र प्रब्लम छ. जुन प्रब्लम भनेको चाहिँ उनीहरूले कसरी पोर्ट्रे गरिदिन्छ भन्दाखेरि तिमीहरू इन्भेस्ट गर्न थाल्यो भने तिमीहरू अचानक म्याजिकल्ली तिमीहरू धनी हुन्छौ, म्याजिकल्ली तिमीहरू रिच भएर निस्किन्छौ हैन. बट इट्स नट द केस. इन्भेस्टिङले तिमीहरूको अलरेडी भएको पैसालाई म्याग्निफाई मात्र गर्ने हो. इट ओन्ली म्याग्निफाइज व्हाट यु अलरेडी ह्याभ. लेट्स से यु आर इन्भेस्टिङ ओन्ली $100 a week because that's all you can afford at this time हैन. रियल क्वेशन भनेको तिमीहरूको कुन चाहिँ ETF किन्ने होला भनेर यो रियल क्वेशन होइन के, यो मेन क्वेशन हैन. द रियल क्वेशन इज हाउ can I increase my income? Because if you earn more, you can invest more. And if you invest more, your wealth grows much faster. Increase your income will always have bigger impact rather than arguing which ETF to buy. हैन. तिमीहरूको इन्कम बढेर तिमीहरू धेरै इन्भेस्ट गर्न सक्यो भने that will always have bigger impact rather than कुन चाहिँ ETF किन्ने होला, यसले 8% दिन्छ, यसले 10% दिन्छ भनेर यस्तो कुरामा अल्झिएर बस्नु भन्दा पनि तिमीहरूले इन्कम बढाएर तिमीहरूले अझै ठुलो अमाउन्ट चाहिँ इन्भेस्ट गर्न सक्यो भने that will have a much bigger impact. Okay, let's talk about what would I do if I have to start from zero today. Main thing, I would invest in myself first. I would learn a skill. And maybe it's trading, maybe it's sales, maybe it's coding or content creation, or maybe it's video editing or running an online business. And I do not care. Junsuke skills. But I would build something that can increase my earning potential within the next 2 to 5 years. Because skill pays you long before investment do. Think that. And obviously, I'm a trader now and it has changed my life definitely. And let me tell you one thing that many trading influencers would never. Trading is not easy. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It took me more than 5 years to get where I'm at the moment. Thousands of hours, hundreds of mistakes, and countless losing trades before I became consistently profitable. And most people quit before they even reach this stage. Okay? So don't just watch this video and think I'm telling everyone to become a trader. हैन. मैले तिमीहरुलाई भने छैन तिमीहरु ट्रेडर नै हुनुपर्छ भनेर मैले कसैलाई पनि भनेको छैन. I am just telling you to become valuable because valuable people get paid. And once you have a valuable skill, something amazing happens. Now instead of actually investing $100 a week, maybe you can now invest $1,000 a week or even $5,000 a month. Now compound interest actually becomes much more powerful once you have a bigger engine to drive it. And that's the part many finance influencers never talk about. And whoever is watching this video, हैन, कति जना मान्छेहरुलाई चाहिँ मैले आज जे कुरा पनि गरे, they are going to completely disagree. जे कुरा पनि मैले भने आज. And that's completely fine, हैन. If your dream is to work, invest consistently and retire at the age of 65, that's completely fine, हैन. यदि तिमीहरुलाई 65 वर्ष हुने बेलासम्म consistently 9 to 5 काम गरेर बिस्तारै इन्भेस्ट गर्दै गर्दै त्यो 65 उमेर पुगिसकेपछि रिटायर हुनु मन छ भने पनि ठीक छ. Enjoy your life. जा सिमरन जीले अपनी जिन्दगी. त्यस्तो खालको हो म चाहिँ, हैन. I respect that as well. Everyone has different goals, but that's just not me. And maybe it's not you either. I am talking to the people who are willing to sacrifice today, learn difficult skills, take calculated risk, and build a life where they have options much earlier. Not because it's easy, but because they don't want to spend 40 years waiting for permission to enjoy their life. So here's my message. Don't spend your time asking which ETF should I buy? कुन ETF किन्ने होला, कुन stock किन्ने होला? यो सबै वाहियात क्वेशनहरु हो. Spend more time asking what skills can I learn that doubles my income over the next 5 years? Because the best investment you will ever make is the one that increases your ability to earn more. Everything becomes easier after that once you're starting earning more. So that's it for today. And if you like similar contents like this, जो कोइलाई पनि यस्तो खालको कन्टेन्टहरु अझै मन पर्छ भने make sure you share this video, comment, subscribe to the channel, and as always, Nepali Anonymous Trader signing out. Stay anonymous and keep making money. Jai Nepal.